To use App Lock on Realme 14 Pro, you will have to start by opening settings and now navigate into security and privacy. Then you will have to start scrolling and go for App Lock. Right now wait for the loading screen and now click on this icon. Then we have to set privacy password. And as you can see right now, you can just input the password that you want, but also you can change type of the password. Then click use if you try to get it, easy password, and then confirm with the same password one more time. Right here you will have to set up the security question. You can also change it as you want. Click here, set answer. Right here you can also find other recovery methods and click confirm. Then if you want to lock any application, just tap on that switcher. And right now let's find out if it works. Yes, as you can see, it is working now. I can only get into this application after I input my password.